Wow, this is exciting. So this is a bag. I mean, it's quite literally a bag. And, well, we're gonna open it together because, well, I was in the mood to open this bag with you. It's from a brand called, well, you can see it. Right to Rome. I'm digging that. I'm digging it. This bag showed up today from Scotland. It says handmade in Scotland right here on the bag. It's a new product from Trakke, and I am very, very excited to try it. I'm not normally a sling guy, but I think I can, well, I can sling for this, I'll tell you that, because I've seen this. I mean, not in person, but I've seen it. Now, I already peeked and it does say it's black. I didn't know what color it was going to be until it arrived. So, well, that's exciting. Black makes sense for me. Let's open it together. I'll give you my very quick first impressions and then we can move on with our weekends. So I'm gonna rip it open from this side. The main reason I'm ripping it open from this side is, well, I mean, my address is on the other side. This is a very cool bag. I'm impressed, honestly. It's cardboardy, but it feels strong. It's like it's nice, actually. It's just very nice. They have nicer, whatever this is in Scotland than they have here in Korea. So I got to the main deal here, and I can already see it's actually not wrapped in any plastic or anything. And I'm touching it, and I can feel something that feels like a cobra buckle. So here it is. Well, that's really something nice. It is lovely. So this is the Trakke Largo. It's a 5.5 liter sling, and it has a very cool feature where you can actually flip this buckle around to each side so that, well, the bag will be on the side you want it to be, which I think for a sling makes a whole lot of sense. Now, if you don't know who these guys are, they tend to make very beautiful looking things, as this definitely is very, very beautiful. They're handmade in Scotland, which makes them not particularly cheap, but then that's okay. You get what you pay for. One of my favorite bags ever is the Ascent 17 wet waxed bag from them. I can tell already it feels thick, which is good. I feel like my camera will survive very nicely in here. The zippers are YKK AquaGuard zippers with very typical pulls. For Trakke products, they tend to have these rings, which you can see here, like so. And it looks very much like a product I could see them making. Now this is one of the stars of the show. This is a cobra buckle. Cobra buckles are, well, very cool. Now I think that one of the coolest things about this is it's going to be able to be used as a pouch, because this detaches, as I saw. Okay, so study required on that one, but I did see that this does attach, and it depends on what side you want to wear it on. So the thing is, you could technically detach both of them and then use this as a pouch that would look something like this. I'm thinking about sticking this sucker on the front of my Ascent when I am, well, using it. Now let's get into the pockets and see what's up. There's a smaller pocket here on the front. There is a, what appears to be, it's like a lanyard, sort of like webbing loop here where you can hang something. There are two pockets, and then there is just some space, and there's a typical lining for them, which is this orange lining. Looks very good. The zipper path, being like this kind of rounded shape, is very smooth, which I could have guessed already before I opened it the first time. Now let's get into the main guy here. Wow, so it looks really nice on the inside here. There is a, I mean, like, this is nice. Look at that. Can you see that? Well, I'm gonna say that I cut that out, but there's a very lovely note on the back of this for me and a very nice card here. I'm super excited to use this properly. Kind of, it feels so nice. Like, it sounds like I'm rambling, but it has such a good feel to it. There is a lot of space. Like, can you see that? Like, this thing is, well, 5.5 liters. So if you are used to something like the Mountain Hip Pack from Evergoods, this is quite a bit bigger than that. It doesn't look a lot bigger, but it feels more cavernous, as it were. There's a sleeve here that would work very well for something like a small-ish tablet. There are two sleeves here where my note was, and then there is a zippered pocket out on the front here, which is, well, it's a zippered pocket. It's also AquaGuard, and it is a YKK, and it has the little guy there. I mean, that's basically it. There's not a whole lot more I can say about this thing, but what I can say is that my first impressions are this thing is really nice. And if you're in the market for any kind of sling, man, you cannot go wrong with this guy. Really, really nice. That's it for my quick unboxing, unbagging as it were, and I am very, very excited to give this thing a proper go. So let's, I guess, carry on, folks. We'll see you on the flip side, and look out for a review of this guy. Bye-bye.